Let's just ask about Europe, if you wouldn't mind. George Galloway, you want to stay in the EU. Wouldn't Scotland be in a better position on that front if it was independent? Because after the next election, if there's a Conservative government at Westminster, there may well be a referendum on this, and
I'm confident about the outcome. I'm confident about the outcome of that referendum, and I'll be campaigning to remain in the European Union, as anyone with any brain cells will also be doing. Nigel and I agree on hardly anything at all. But we do agree at least on one thing, and it happens to be the most important thing, not only now, but in the lifetime of everyone in this hall and everyone in this country. It is the demand that Britain should be an independent, sovereign, and democratic country, and that means leaving the European Union.